Hey guys, it's Josh with Linux Easy, where we make Linux easy. So today we're going to update our operating system. I had a bit of a issue with my virtual machine. I actually accidentally updated it after I shot the first video. So the first part of the video is going to be on my main operating system, which I've neglected to update for a little while. Please do not do that. That's bad security practices. I need to get better at doing that. I've just been busy with work. So what you're going to do is you're going to click your applications menu. And then in the search bar, you're going to type console, K-O-N-S-O-L-E. You're going to click on that. It's going to pull up. This should all be done in your virtual machine, I might add. I'm just doing it on my desktop right now because, well, I've already updated my virtual machine. So when you first open up your console, it will not look like this. It'll look a little bit different. In the next video, maybe a video after next, I will go over customizing your desktop environment and make it suit your needs. So the first time you open up the command prompt, it'll tell you something, to run a command as root, type in sudo. So the first thing we're going to do is sudo apt update. What this command does, it refreshes your software list because Linux runs off software lists and their repositories. So when there's updates to those get added to the repository. So when you refresh your repository, it essentially updates your repository list. So you're going to press enter. It's going to ask for your password, put in your password, and press enter again. And it's going to load. It's going to say however many packages need to be updated. As you can see, I have 514, and your virtual machine you should have 39 to 50 at least. So what we're going to type now is sudo apt upgrade. And what the upgrade command does here is it upgrades all the software that needs to be done on your system. So I'm going to press enter on that. It's going to ask me, as you can see, there is a lot of things that need to be updated on my computer. Whew. So what you want to type is, it's going to ask you, do you want to continue? You're going to press Y for yes, and then press enter. And I will be back with you with the virtual machine up to get this completely done. Hey guys, and we're back. We have the virtual machine open. If your virtual machine has been updated after you followed the first commands, reboot your system and then come right back to this video. So now that we have the operating system updated, what we are going to do is we are going to install LibreOffice. We're going to do it through the command prompt. I feel as though this would be the most simplest way and easiest way because every operating system, if you decide to branch off from KDE, has different things. So in your applications menu, type console and then press enter. So as you can see, this one's a little bit different from my actual desktop because I'm in the virtual machine now. So you can type in sudo apt install. So this command basically says, hey, I want you to install this program computer. So we're going to install LibreOffice. And as you know, I'm using a tab. I'm used to using the tab because I work on Cisco equipment. So we type in LibreOffice and then press enter. And you're going to put in your password. And then it's going to ask you, it's going to tell you, what all needs to be installed. Basically, it's going to install the LibreOffice suite, so we're going to press Y, and then you can press enter again. And then I shall be right back with the other half of this video once this gets done to show you what LibreOffice is. Hey, we're back now. LibreOffice is installed, so let's go play with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the applications menu. We're going to go to Office and look at this. You have an entire Office suite for free. Isn't that wonderful? It's not as powerful as I would say as Microsoft Windows, but if you're trying to get away from Microsoft and all that other stuff, it does the job for basic Office tasks. So you have your writer here. You have a little bit to load, and right now it uses Liberation fonts. I know some of you might actually need Microsoft fonts, so let's actually, next video, work on installing Microsoft fonts. Like I said, this is LibreWriter, look. This Word document does everything you need to do. So I'm going to click Don't Save. We have your excuse me, your PowerPoint. You have your PowerPoint here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty decent. Looks like you get some stuff done with that. But before I end this video, what I want you all to do is right-click on your Firefox, and then I want you to click Pin to Task Manager. So that leaves an easy access icon if you want to browse the internet. Like I said, thank you for watching Easy Linux. My name is Josh. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe, share. I try to do at least uploads over the weekend. I was going to try to do Friday uploads, but my work schedules have changed. So I'm going to shoot for Saturday or Sunday recordings if I can. If I shoot them on Saturday, they'll be uploaded on Sunday. If I shoot them on Sunday, they'll be uploaded on Monday. If you subscribe, there's like a little bell. I don't know if you guys know this. Click on that bell and you'll receive notifications of me uploading new videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.